Hi, let's learn to do a quick tableside walk. You will be needing these ingredients, 2 really ripe avocados, a lime, a Roman tomato, a bunch of cilantro, and a half onion. We will start by incorporating our avocado. Here's a quick tip before we open it up. If you pull this up and you see how green it is, that tells you if it's ripe, and yes it is. Let's go ahead and add it. We're just gonna go ahead and slice some in here, like so. Then we're gonna go ahead and add it to our bowl. This will help you determine how chunky or smooth you want your walk. We're gonna go ahead and continue to add our avocado. You can add the pit in there. It kind of helps prevent the oxidation of the avocado in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to add. These avocados are very creamy. Again, you're able to tell how ripe your avocados are by just looking at the stem. And also the color. The color will also tell you if it's really ripe. And look at this, nice and green, but smooth. Go ahead and cut your avocado as such. Remove any brown or bruised part of the avocado. And just add. These taste really good with any meal or even as a snack. You can use the same recipe to avocado toast for a good breakfast. And we're gonna go ahead and just add this to our bowl. And then we're going to go ahead and start chopping our vegetables. Again, chop as you like. You do not have to be an expert chef to do these quick, simple recipes. So we're going to go and slice our onion to small moons. Then we're going to go ahead and cut or chop these into small cubes. And that's how you get this fast, quick recipe done. Got a little bit more to chop. Go ahead and use your knife to pick up all of this and add it to your bowl. Carefully not to cut yourself with your sharp knife. All my recipes are for quick beginning cook. You don't have to have any experience in the kitchen, or if you do, comment and tell me what do you like to do. In here I'll show you 2 ways of how to cut and add your tomato. So I remove the ends, and for this half, I will just slice and chop like the onion, and then add this to my bowl. Or for just a quick, simple, clean tomato, you just remove the insides and take all those seeds out. Again, this is your preference. I'm just showing you 2 styles. You can do one or the other. I prefer to clean out the tomato as such. It avoids having all those extra seeds in there. But again, it's all nutritious, so if you just want to incorporate it like the first half, you can do so. And in here, we do the same process. Strips and then into small cubes. And into our bowl it goes. And next is your cilantro. Just go ahead and bunch that up in half. And again, all your veggies, make sure you pre-wash them and dry them as I did prior to this. I went ahead and cut the stems off of the cilantro and dried it before chopping it. You want to make sure you do a fine chop on the cilantro, or if you prefer a little chunkier leaf, you can also do so. We're going to go ahead and just wipe down our workstation. And we're going to go ahead and slice our lime. We're going to go ahead and just use half of this, so it just gives it enough flavor. And also, by squeezing half of a lime, it does prevent the avocado from oxidizing or turning brown. Here I'm adding a half a teaspoon of salt for flavor. You could also add a half teaspoon of black pepper. Again, it's to your liking. And you just go ahead and mix to the preferred chunkiness or smoothness that you prefer. You could also add a half jalapeno on here just to give it an extra kick. But since I'm serving these to my little ones today, I am not going to add that extra jalapeno in there. So this is very quick, simple, fresh recipe, so you could enjoy for dinner or a healthy snack. Go ahead and comment below if you tried this recipe. Let me know if you enjoyed it, or let me know if you added any other different ingredients. Once you mixed in all your wok to your preference of smoothness, go ahead and just plate it and enjoy. I'm going to add some restaurant style chips. To my wok. And enjoy. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more videos. Enjoy!